In a state-of-the-art laboratory basks a future where damaged tissues and even entire organs can be repaired or replaced. Regenerative surgery, once the stuff of science fiction, now marches steadily into our reality, underpinned by the astounding advances in regenerative medicine. At the heart of this revolution lies the capability to engineer biological tissues using a cocktail of cells, biomaterials, and bioactive molecules. Stem cells, particularly embryonic and induced pluripotent stem cells, occupy the center stage. Their astonishing ability to differentiate into any cell type makes them invaluable, from regrowing cartilage in arthritic knees to crafting new heart muscles for cardiac patients. Scientists are also harnessing the body's innate healing power through growth factors and other signaling proteins to stimulate tissue repair from within. Imagine a cartilage defect being filled in situ with new, healthy tissue, cutting down recovery times and potentially eliminating the need for prosthetics. The convergence of tissue engineering and 3D bioprinting has paved the way for manufacturing complex, multi-layered tissues. Preclinical trials show promising developments where bioprinted skin autonomously integrates with the surrounding native tissue, heralding a new treatment frontier for burn victims. Farther down the line, 3D printed organs brimming with vascular networks may stand to abolish organ transplant waitlists. Additionally, scaffold-based approaches that facilitate cell attachment and growth are finding increasing applications. These biodegradable structures serve as temporary frameworks, gradually encouraging cells to form healthy tissue in wounds, fractures, and damaged organs. One quintessential example is the use of acellular dermal matrices to close chronic wounds. Furthermore, gene editing technologies, such as CRISPR, are enriching the toolkit of regenerative surgery. By precisely modifying genetic material in stem cells, scientists can correct mutations responsible for genetic disorders before differentiating these cells into functional tissues. Despite its promising horizon, regenerative surgery grapples with challenges like immune rejection and ethical considerations.